We're in Fivizzano today and we're looking at a house in the village, literally off of the main square. It has this beautiful little private terrace. But when you're sitting in the terrace, so I'm sitting at my table and I'm having a glass of wine, this is my view. Trash cans. You can't move them, they have to stay there. And they will get fuller and fuller. And when there's a festival, they will be just overflowing with trash. This is a negative for me, but let's go in and have a look. And then here you can sing to the bells. You have a great view of the bells from up here. You know how much I like those bells, so for me, it's a negative, but let's carry on. E questo?
Quella è un'altra proprietà.
So that's our terrace. This is not our terrace. This is the neighbor's terrace. So it's another negative for me because they're eating their dinner and there they are, eating their spaghetti. Well, it's a new kitchen, people, get ready. This is nice. You can sort of tell where the English have decorated. It is a little bit sweeter. They use more like light blue and yellows, and this kitchen's fantastic. You don't have to do a thing. Just move in. Okay. Oh, this is really weird. This is right off the cucina. I mean, you're cooking your onions and your room smells like onions. Yeah, I would just make this a room, like the kitchen library or something. You know, again, I mean, that's just me. You could probably, it's beautiful, so you could probably just move in here. I mean, it is pretty. Where did he go? He disappeared. Oh. Oh, there you are. Oh. Hello. Oh my God. Now he's getting funny, Federico. It's the funny side of Federico now.
Surprise.
He's like, surprise! There's a tiny room with a sofa in it. I would just put rolling racks in here and make it my closet. Again, for some people, just move in. You know, for me, I would have to change colors for sure. It's very green in here. Do I look green? Do I look a little green? A little yellow? Yeah. It is, yeah, you get a little green.
The color of Laura Ashley's buy all these things.
That's what it is. It's Laura Ashley. Oh my God, I forgot about Laura Ashley. Wow, that is something. I mean, it's not me, obviously, but it's pretty. I mean, it's certainly pretty. The shower is fantastic. They have a beautiful shower in here. Yeah, I like it. I mean, it's not my taste, but they certainly spent some money on it. It's quite pretty. I mean, it's chic. It's just not, it's a little bit of grandma chic. I'm not sure about this. I'm not really sure. So I'm thinking there must be a dog or a child here.
I think the Easter Bunny.
I think that's right. It is very Easter Bunny-ish. So if you like Easter Bunny decor, this is for you. But I suspect these are very dangerous stairs, and I suspect that that's why the store is here. And rightly so. I mean, it wouldn't be my choice, but wow, what in the name of God is down here? Okay, so this you could kill yourself on. I think there's no solution to this. This is just take your life in your hands. Wow.
Ingresso qua.
So this is the first floor. This is where you enter the house. Okay, so we entered backwards. So this is the really beautiful door. Enters into that beautiful foyer with the staircase. And it's gorgeous and it looks like it's very safe. So this is the foyer. You know, this is a very strange thing because the door just sort of opens up to the living room. I think this is big enough that you could do a sitting area here. I mean, it really is a nice sized room. Yeah, this is lovely. I mean, this is really lovely. It's really pretty. Color choices are questionable, but it's very pretty. Oh, wow. Okay, so this is another bedroom. No. So you have to go upstairs in the middle of the night to go pee-pee. I don't know that I would make this a bedroom. I think I'd leave all the bedrooms upstairs and I would make this just a different usage, that's all. I mean, it's a shame it's a big room, but I don't know. I'd have to really think about this because it's weird that there's a bathroom upstairs, yeah? You could put a billiard room in here, actually. That would be a pool room. That'd be kind of fun, actually. The other thing you could do is you could make this a cool sort of like living room, like library, like cozy, and then make that like a dining room because the kitchen's right above it. Yeah. Yeah.
I think it'd be really fun to carry plates of food down the stairs.
The stairs.
You're just losing some peas. There they go.
Wait a minute. I know what you could do. A dumbwaiter, right? You could put a dumbwaiter here.
Ristrutturata bene.
Yeah, no, vero. It's really a pretty restoration. It is. Unfortunate color choices on the walls, but you know, everybody's different. But yeah, I like it. Move-in ready? Yeah, I think so. I think you can move in, no problem. I would think long and hard about putting the dining room below the stairs. So these stairs, questa scala è pericoloso questo, no?
Dipende, se uno la fa veloce, sì.
He said if you take them quickly, then yes. Yeah.
No, non mi sembra.
Yeah. No, like Italians, like, no, this is fine. This is normale.
Sì, in Italia non c'è mai problema, è vero.
See, I'm just wondering if the solution is the stairs. You know, because maybe you reconfigure the way the stairs are. Like you do more of a landing pad and then come down. And maybe come down more into the room. So if you can't do dumbwaiter, you do one of those seated chairs and you come down with the plates. So I think the solution is the stairs, because these stairs are crazy. What is up with Italians and crazy stairs? They're trying to kill people. I mean, seriously. They're bananas. Yeah, this is, no. The thing about Italian real estate is that you have to sort of think about what you can live with. So if these stairs don't bother you, you know, you're agile, you're nimble, you like running up and down stairs, then go for it, you know, right? I mean, for me, you miss a stair, that's it. And the kitchen is here, so you're walking here with the plates. No. Well, obviously, for a load of money, you can reconfigure this. I mean, now I'm just like, but I think this is definitely move-in ready if you're okay with looking at garbage cans while you're drinking your wine, which I am not. So, I mean, I would give this one a, because I think it's really finished out beautifully, but I think it has some downsides and some upsides as well. I'm wondering, let's go back outside because I just had a thought about the outside terrace. You just need to plant some very tall plants here and then you won't see anything and you have privacy. I don't love that that is the neighbor's terrace. That is your own personal choice. I would probably drape that. So, you know, just put a drape there and then that way you're not going to see your neighbors. You can just do a pretty outdoor, indoor, outdoor kind of drape, canvas, simple, and that way you're not looking into their food. So that's what I would do. So those are two very inexpensive, very simple, pretty solutions for privacy. Okay, so Federico, thank you again for showing us this beautiful property. I think it'd be perfect for someone that loves the color yellow, just kidding. And, but it is really pretty and I think it is a very affordable, move-in ready property. If you're interested in the property and you've gotten this far, Federico's link is right below. Click on it and you can view this property. You can email Federico whenever you want because this entire staff speaks English. So all you English speakers out there. And don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll see you next time. Peace.